What's up, lemons? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. Today we have this Lamborghini Huracan that we're doing a Vorsteiner carbon kit on and installing an exhaust. I don't know the name of the exhaust just yet. I haven't looked at it, but we got everything situated here. We also got this Huracan Evo Spider that we're looking at. We attempted to put the hood onto this one. Figured out it probably doesn't fit with the Spider just because I believe the fenders are a little bit different of a design, so it kind of sticks up a bit. But let's go ahead and get this Huracan turned on, give you a couple sound clips of it, see what it sounds like before and after. Give you a quick peek around the vehicle. The wheels are off, fender wells are coming off as well. Go ahead and get everything else installed. Pretty nice. Red Lamborghini, don't see them very often, but we're gonna go ahead and get this kit thrown on, see what it looks like. Got the wing mocked up. Looks pretty good. Gives it definitely an aggressive look. Forged carbon, exposed fiber. Now we just got the rest to do. Bumpers off, airbox is off, dash bar is off, exhaust is still on, but we just gotta take these V-band clamps out. We're gonna have to disconnect these two hangers here, one up here, both sides. Should be able to pull the exhaust out and put the Vivid Racing exhaust on here. See how she sounds like. We'll do a cold start, more or less, without the exhaust. And then we'll see what it sounds like with the exhaust.
Okay, we're ready.
So loud. I'm getting hit by all the fumes. Everything is just hitting my face. This thing is awesome.
Wow. Sounds pretty good. Okay.
Got the VR exhaust on. Give you guys a little check it out. See what it sounds like. Oh yeah, huh? Yeah, because we didn't do the thing.
Yeah.
Oh. Alright, so we just got the wing on, wheels are back on, and the VR exhaust is on as well. We're going to take this thing out, see how it sounds now, see if it rides better, sounds better, everything like that. And then we also have the Huracan Evo out here that we're going to take out, match up with us. Let's take a look at this. What's the color called again? Blue Merit. Unreal colorway. Took the carbon hood off of this one just because it doesn't fit us either. We were going to try to match it up on the standard Huracan, but it looked like it was going to be too thick and just it wasn't going to look right, so we're keeping that off for now. We're going to have to figure out if we have to grind it down a little bit or just match something up to make it look better. But let's go ahead and get these things started, get on our way out here in Scottsdale, just cruise around, just see how it sounds, see if it feels any better. We still have these carbon fenders, side skirts, and lip that we're gonna have to put on eventually. Got to do some drilling, figure it out. We have this rear bumper as well that we did mock up that we saw already, but we got to drill out for the sensors and the backup camera, so we're not gonna do that just yet. It's gonna be a couple day process for us to go ahead and get everything nice and neat. So we just went ahead, like we said, threw the bumper back on, got the wing on there, so eventually we'll have these things on. Right, nice and steady outside. Make sure we don't scrape. First time driving a Huracan, I already love it. The VR exhaust sounds super good, I'm not gonna lie. Gets a little bit of snaps, crackle, pops in here. The Evo, of course, is already showing off. I think we do a Huracan for the channel, boys. This is different. I like this. Next to the airport here, I guess we're gonna do a little video, a little shoot, stuff like that. So we'll get a couple clips out of here, cruise down the streets, just see how everything is, and hopefully we'll just have some fun with it. Unbelievable. I've never had so much fun